Three things. That's the entire list between you and knowing how to make YouTube videos. And I wish someone had told me this before I spent over a decade overcomplicating this. More retirees never hit the upload button because they think they need some type of degree or the ability to pay $2,000 for someone to set it up. They don't. You need a way to film, and your smartphones are already sitting in your pocket. And they shoot better videos than professional video cameras did 10 years ago. So that means you can stop wasting time and start recording today. You also need a way to edit, and this is where a lot of people quit. Because learning how to edit video and video software feels like learning how to fly a plane. And this means you get stuck with raw footage gathering digital dust on your phone. Traffic Maestro lets you create your video, shoot your video, edit it all in one place. And that's with zero learning curve. So you'll actually close your laptop feeling proud instead of calling on your grandchildren to help you with the tech. You can find a full demo to Traffic Maestro in the description below. And if you're interested in earning 80% commission by creating simple videos using Traffic Maestro, you'll find the link to that below as well. It's a done for you system that handles the selling for you.